besties, Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make an uber good, yummy pumpkin spice protein shake. If you guys love everything about fall, you know, you love like the pumpkin spice, you like the hints of like cinnamon and nutmeg and all that like yummy stuff, then I actually have like the perfect shake for you. So this little package of goodness, you know, has around like 26 grams of protein, which is amazing, by the way, and it tastes freaking like fantastic. So if you guys stay tuned, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this uber good pumpkin spice protein shake. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. I post videos every single week. I post videos on weight loss. I do delicious recipes. I do fun reviews. I do lots of really fun things on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as if you guys ever make any of my recipes on my YouTube channel, I would love for you guys to actually like tag me on Instagram. So you guys can totally find me on Instagram right here. So if you guys are ready to make an uber good, delicious pumpkin spice protein shake, then let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a blender cup, and then we are gonna be using a couple cubes of frozen almond milk. Now you can use ice if you want, but I like to use frozen almond milk. So the next thing we're gonna be using is some pure pumpkin. And now this is literally just like pure pumpkin. It's just like smushed up pumpkin is all it is. It's not pumpkin pie filling or anything like that because we don't really want like all that extra like sugar and everything added in. So again, just make sure that you get like the pure pumpkin for this. And so we are gonna be using a half a cup of the pure pumpkin. Next, we're gonna be using some almond milk. So this is just some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You guys see this in a lot of my recipes. I generally use this in most of them. I just like it just because it's so versatile. I mean, you can pretty much use any kind of milk that you use on a regular basis, but I tend to use the unsweetened almond milk. So we are gonna be using 1 cup of that in this recipe. So next we're gonna be using some protein. So this is just some level 1 protein that is made by Phorm. And so this is the vanilla ice cream flavor and it is delicious. I really like using it. It's tasty, it's delicious, it's creamy, it's just really good. So 1 scoop has 150 calories and there is 24 grams of protein per scoop as well. So the biggest difference between the Phorm level 1 protein and other proteins is that they actually use like a low temperature process to actually create the protein, as opposed to other proteins where they actually use like a really high temperature. And those proteins actually can cause like gas and bloating and upset stomach. And so this one is just like a really good quality protein. So that's why I like to use it on a regular basis. Next, we're gonna be using some pumpkin pie because we need to spice it up a little bit. So this is just some pumpkin pie spice that of course you can just find at like your local grocery store. So we are gonna be using 1 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. Next, we're gonna sweeten up our pumpkin spice protein shake a little bit with a little bit of stevia. So this is just like one of those little squirt containers. Now, if you guys have the packages or the drops, whatever you wanna use, it's completely up to you. So in this recipe, I'm gonna be using 4 squirts of the liquid stevia. Now, of course, like the taste is totally up to you. If you guys want more or less, it's completely up to you. Then we wanna put the lid on and blend that bad boy. And this is what our uber delicious pumpkin spice protein shake is looking like so far. So you just want to grab a glass, pour that into there, fill it up. course, we do want to add a little bit of whipped cream to it. So this is just some coconut whipped cream that I bought at the store. It's like 25 calories per like, I don't know, 4 tablespoons or something, which is like perfect. That's pretty much all you need. And so yeah, just like top up your little smoothie there. It is looking delicious, if you ask me. And then if you want to get really fancy, then you can take your pumpkin pie spice and just kind of sprinkle a little bit on the top. I'm telling you, this is like Instagram worthy for sure. And voila, we have our pumpkin spice protein smoothie. So I hope you guys enjoyed that uber delicious recipe. I know like fall is totally about like the pumpkin spice, and if you can have like pumpkin spice and protein and like mix it together and it's not like a gazillion calories, honestly, it's like a win-win in my book. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for any new recipes, because you know, like I said, I'm always like trying out new things in the kitchen. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.